NSC in the place to be. NSC.
Yeah, hi all, welcome back to my channel. Here I got an ASUS motherboard, ASUS Strix, like you can see. Here the guy sadly let's say let fall down his screw drill, and he just destroyed this pin here. So here now the motherboard is just not working because of course this pin is here missing. I found this chip already on the internet, and you can see here a little bit of the contact. Okay. Look closely. I'm gonna try to zoom even more, but somewhen it gets really just unsharp. But you can see that the leg, or let's say the pin, is still there. The problem is only that it's just broken, so here you got no contact. So that means the motherboard is just not powering it on. That means if you just try to start it, the fan is not spinning. All here is just like that because this is some kind of power unit chip here. I have also Googled it. This is an AS358M, and you are able to find it, and you can of course just get a new one, and you can of course try to replace it. Myself, I'm gonna try to make a small bridge because I have already managed it to repair lots of chips like that. Sometimes you need to lap this chip a little bit here, and then you're gonna get to the contact. But in this case, maybe I think I could do this time without lapping. I don't know, because I need to take a closer look later with my microscope. I hope it calls like that in English. Here you can see the mini contact, okay, on this place. So here you need to imagine on the half of this chip. So let's say if you just cut it like a sandwich, then you got your pins, your contacts. And here I still can see a little bit. So maybe I'm gonna lap it here a little bit. You can see there was a big, let's say crash from the screw drill. He told me he was just working on the motherboard and on the computer case, and sadly the screw drill just falls down exactly here, and then it's game over. I'm gonna do my best to fix that, and maybe I'm gonna be able to do that without that we need first to get a newer chip. Sometimes this needs about 1 or 2 weeks till the chip comes, so it doesn't matter when it just let's say get it from eBay or from AliExpress or whatever. Sometimes these chips needs a long time till they came on. So guys, this is how it should look like. Really nice, really perfect. This is the way you can go. So here you can see there's 100% contact. I have also just checked it out with my multimeter. And the thing is, I got here, of course, contact. We got here the same chip, like you can see, AS358M, okay? And here, now it's all wet, of course, with IPA, isopropanol. Here we got, like I told, also the same AS358M, okay? E1, and it's just the same here also. Okay, I'm gonna now look if I can find some other problems here. The BIOS chip is here. So this is, let's say, the newer versions of BIOS chips, but you can see here it's just written win-bound. The work here is perfect. You can see there's everywhere contact. Wait, let me just try again. Okay, so the rest, of course, I need to clean, but you can see that we have here contact. So I have, with this method, already repaired a lot of stuff. Yeah guys, my job is done, so this now needs just to be tested with the CPU and of course a memory. Yeah, but at last I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is the way you can just repair chips like that. Otherwise, of course, you can try to get them new on the internet. Yeah, I think I have nothing more to show. So of course you're gonna need a CPU and a memory, otherwise the system will not be able to start. I have tested also that the BIOS flashback button here was working. So when I just press it and hold it, the LED begins to blink. So he's just waiting for a BIOS update, let's say like that. And so I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. So yeah, I'm just curious myself. So the guy gonna tell me if this gonna work, of course. But hey, this is the way it can just work. Clean as hell. Okay, check this out. It looks like new. Okay? Yeah. No one would just recognize it. Okay, I think no one will just steal it. Otherwise you can ship it back and tell them, hey, my mainboard has just stopped to work. I need a new one. So a warranty thing, you know? But psst, I just say nothing. Alright, see ya soon guys. That was all for me. NSC in the place to be. I wish the best, and of course I'm gonna hold you up to date on my video description. I'm gonna of course write you some updates, and I wish you a lots of fun. Have a nice weekend and stay tuned on my channel. Yeah, see ya guys. Peace.